Question 1. What cries at night and sleeps during the day? Your options are: Option A, owl. Option B, bat. Option C, lamp. Option D, candle. The correct answer is option D, candle. A candle cries at night because the melting wax drips like tears, and it sleeps during the day when it is not lit. Candles have historically been used at night to provide light. The dripping wax is metaphorically likened to tears, making the candle symbolic of light during the dark hours. This poetic comparison helps explain why a candle is said to cry at night and sleep during the day. Question 2. In which metal container does food cool down the fastest? Your options are: Option A, silver. Option B, brass. Option C, steel. Option D, aluminum. The correct answer is option A, silver. Silver is an excellent conductor of heat, which means it transfers heat efficiently from food to the surrounding environment, causing the food to cool down faster than in containers made of other metals. Silver's high thermal conductivity allows it to absorb and dissipate heat quickly. Although not commonly used for food storage due to its cost, its properties make it superior in this context. Question 3. What is the best source of vitamin D? Your options are: Option A, milk. Option B, banana. Option C, fish. Option D, sunlight. The correct answer is option D, sunlight. Sunlight is the most natural and effective source of vitamin D. When the skin is exposed to sunlight, it produces vitamin D, which is crucial for maintaining healthy bones and supporting immune function. While foods like fish and fortified milk also provide vitamin D, sunlight is the primary and most abundant source for most people, especially in regions with moderate to high sunlight exposure. Question 4. How long did World War II last? Your options are: Option A, 3 years. Option B, 5 years. Option C, 6 years. Option D, 7 years. The correct answer is option C, 6 years. World War II began on September 1, 1939, when Nazi Germany invaded Poland, and ended on September 2, 1945, with Japan's formal surrender. The war lasted 6 years, involving many of the world's countries and resulting in significant global political, economic, and social changes. The 6-year period saw some of the most intense and destructive warfare in history. Question 5. Which metal was first used by humans? Your options are: Option A, copper. Option B, iron. Option C, gold. Option D, aluminum. The correct answer is option A, copper. Copper was the first metal used by humans, dating back to the Copper Age or Chalcolithic period. It was relatively easy to find and work with due to its malleability. Copper was used for making tools, weapons, and ornaments, and it represented a significant technological advancement from the Stone Age. Question 6. To what degree can the human eye see? Your options are: Option A, 150 degrees. Option B, 120 degrees. Option C, 140 degrees. Option D, 110 degrees. The correct answer is option A, 150 degrees. The human eye can see a field of view of approximately 150 degrees horizontally. This wide-angle vision helps in perceiving surroundings effectively, which has been advantageous for survival throughout evolution. Peripheral vision, while not as sharp, is critical for detecting motion and navigating environments. Question 7. Which food becomes toxic when reheated? Your options are: Option A, paneer, cheese. Option B, eggs. Option C, spinach. Option D, beetroot. The correct answer is option C, spinach. Spinach contains nitrates that, when reheated, can convert into harmful compounds called nitrosamines, which may be carcinogenic. Reheating spinach or other nitrate-rich vegetables like beets and celery should be avoided to reduce potential health risks. It is best to consume these foods freshly cooked. Question 8. Which bird cannot see during the day? Your options are: Option A, bat. Option B, owl. Option C, pigeon. Option D, cuckoo. The correct answer is option B, owl. Owls are nocturnal birds and have evolved to see exceptionally well at night. They have large eyes relative to their body size, which allows them to gather more light in dark environments. However, their vision during the day is limited because their eyes are adapted for low-light conditions. This is why they rely on their hearing and sight primarily at night. Question 9. At what age does the growth of human teeth stop? Your options are: Option A, 12 years. Option B, 16 years. Option C, 20 years. Option D, 25 years. The correct answer is option B, 16 years. The permanent teeth, or adult teeth, typically finish developing and emerging by the age of 16, excluding the wisdom teeth, which may emerge later. After this period, the growth of teeth generally ceases. Proper dental care is crucial during adolescence as the adult teeth are meant to last a lifetime. Question 10. Which fruit is known to increase blood rapidly? Your options are: Option A, banana. Option B, pomegranate. Option C, papaya. Option D, apple. The correct answer is option B, pomegranate. Pomegranate is rich in iron and other essential nutrients that promote healthy blood production. It has long been recognized as a natural remedy for anemia due to its ability to boost hemoglobin levels. Consuming pomegranate regularly can help maintain healthy blood and prevent conditions related to low iron levels. Question 11. Which animal is famous for its tears? Your options are: Option A, crocodile. Option B, horse. Option C, bear. Option D, elephant. The correct answer is option A, crocodile. Crocodiles are often said to cry while eating, which gave rise to the expression crocodile tears. However, these tears are not emotional but a physiological response to eating. Their tear ducts release fluid to lubricate their eyes as they swallow large pieces of food. This behavior has been misunderstood as showing false sympathy, hence the idiom. Question 12. Which country sees the most auroras? Your options are: Option A, India. Option B, Japan. Option C, Norway. Option D, USA. The correct answer is option C, Norway. Norway is known for its spectacular views of the northern lights or aurora borealis. The auroras are visible in the northern part of the country, especially during the winter months. Norway's proximity to the Arctic Circle and its low light pollution make it one of the best places in the world to witness this natural phenomenon. Question 13. What causes the sky to appear blue? Your options are: Option A, reflection. Option B, refraction. Option C, scattering. Option D, absorption. The correct answer is option C, scattering. The blue color of the sky is due to a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. When sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, the shorter blue wavelengths of light are scattered in all directions by the oxygen and nitrogen molecules. This scattering causes the sky to appear blue, especially during midday when the sun is higher in the sky and the scattering is more intense. Question 14. What is the most common blood type in Europe? Your options are: Option A, O+, Option B, A+, Option C, B+, Option D, AB+. The correct answer is option A, O+. O+ is the most common blood type in Europe. This blood type is known as the universal donor for people with a positive Rh factor, which makes it particularly important in medical emergencies. Having a common blood type is advantageous for patients in need of transfusions, as O+ donors are widely available, making this the most commonly needed and available type. Question 15. What percentage of the Earth's surface is covered by water? Your options are: Option A, 50%, Option B, 60%, Option C, 70%, Option D, 80%. The correct answer is Option C, 70%. Approximately 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water, with oceans being the largest water bodies. Despite this vast coverage, only about 3% of this water is freshwater, the rest being saline water. This vast expanse of water plays a critical role in regulating the planet's climate, supporting marine life, and maintaining the global water cycle. Question 16. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Your options are: Option A, Earth. Option B, Mars. Option C, Jupiter. Option D, Saturn. The correct answer is Option C, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, with a mass more than 300 times that of Earth. It is a gas giant primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with a thick atmosphere of swirling clouds and storms, including the famous Great Red Spot. Its immense size and gravitational influence significantly impact the orbits of other planets and celestial bodies in the solar system. Question 17. What is the national currency of Germany? Your options are: Option A, dollar, Option B, pound, Option C, euro, Option D, franc. The correct answer is Option C, euro. The euro is the official currency of Germany and most of the European Union. It was introduced in 1999 as a digital currency and became the official physical currency in 2002, replacing the Deutsche Mark in Germany. The euro is used by 19 of the 27 EU member countries and is one of the world's most traded currencies, second only to the US dollar. Question 18. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Your options are: Option A, Yuri Gagarin, Option B, Buzz Aldrin, Option C, Neil Armstrong, Option D, John Glenn. The correct answer is Option C, Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission on July 20, 1969. His famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," marked this historic moment. Armstrong's accomplishment was a significant milestone in space exploration and the culmination of the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. Question 19. What is the most widely spoken language in Europe? Your options are: Option A, French, Option B, German, Option C, Spanish, Option D, English. The correct answer is Option D, English. English is the most widely spoken language in Europe, both as a native language in the UK and Ireland and as a second language in many other European countries. It serves as the primary language for business, science, and international diplomacy. Due to its global influence and the role of the UK and the USA in historical global events, English has become a dominant language across Europe. Question 20. Black rose is found in which country? Your options are: Option A, Japan, Option B, Turkey, Option C, France, Option D, Spain. The correct answer is Option B, Turkey. Naturally occurring black roses are found in the village of Halfeti, Turkey. Due to the region's unique soil composition and water quality, the roses bloom in a deep, almost black shade. These are actually very dark red or purple roses, but they appear black due to their environment.